Why are you yelling? Do you love trucks that much? No? Yeah, no, me neither. All right, anger. Anger. You guys good? Who's fixing what today? You're on guard duty? No, you're night shift. Go to bed. Day shift. What's going on today, guys? Back here on the channel. Got home from work. Early day today. Some weird noises coming out of the truck, so brought her inside. Found the U-joint on the rear axle has failed. So that's what I'm doing now. I pulled the shaft out already. We got fire cranking. It's nice and warm in here. It's up on jack stands. Got one C-clip out. Got my ball joint press out. It's the nicest way I found to do them. Kind of saves the yoke ends. You don't really screw them up. So hopefully this is the right U-joint. We'll find out once we get it out. All right, guys, I'm gonna get back under there, get that last Jesus clip out, and we'll go from there. I don't know if this is gonna play nice. They never do. Oh. This one I should probably push forward. Let's have a gander. Oh yeah, she's not gonna go well. All right, new plan of attack. All right, great stuff. Used it at Kenworth, my last can. Give it a little squirt. A little squirt, squirt. Uh-oh, squirt, squirt. Oh, should just pull this out. Oh, there we go. There's my socket. Way easier when it's out. I'm not pulling it out. No. Alright, get on there. Okie dokie. Balance. My shop is cold right now. I got to chill out of there. Look at that, make quick work of that thing once it's broken. Aha. Clean all that grit after. Pop it back. Nope, we're not out yet. Almost. I love big trucks and little trucks. Some days. Not a lot of days though. Alright. Alright. Pop it back this way a bit if we can. Seen its better days. I guess you guys can't see that. Yeah, definitely tired. Oh, yes. Pressure on. Gotta get that cap off. Ah, I forgot my channel locks. Don't take it in the face. Forgot my channel lock. So many people. Oh, look at all these lights. So much light. Guys, Kevin's coming. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Love these things. Get yourself one if you don't have one. They are handy. Unlike me, I'm not handy there. Oh, I can't see shit. Ugh. Come on, Trigger. Oh, yeah. Where's that? There it is. Ah, too big. Too small. Ouch. What is going on? Other side we go. Ah. It's just me being dumb. See? She was not long for this world. I will show you guys once I get out. Wondering what was making noise. I've definitely found it. There you go. Alright. That can hang out there for a minute. There's supposed to be a needle bearings in there. Don't know if this is the right one. Looks kind of close. We'll find out. Alright, well that U-joint was definitely tired. Got to clean up the snap ring holes and the yoke end, and I'm back in business. Alright. Yeah, I just take my pick over the snap ring holes, get all the old crud out of there. I clean them up. Ah, heck, some of you need to learn how to clean. I find the better prep, better cleaning. I mean, you gotta be careful not to put too much audio on them. It's easier these things go together. Now, also some people with anti-seize on them. I do not. Cups rotate, the needle bearings don't end up doing the correct job, and you have premature U-joint failure. That's my 2 cents. I'm sure there's lots of people that'll argue you put anti-seize in for use of next person changing. It's using yourself. I don't believe in that. put anti-seize on brake anchor. Their name is an anchor. The shoe is supposed to anchor off. But again, my 2 cents. Everyone's been taught. It's different. That's done. And repeat the process on the other side. Do I ever miss Kenworth's heated floors? All right. I can start putting the new U in, I think. Someone's really buffed them. Oh no. I think Kevin's here. Oh no, Kevin's here. Kevin! Look who showed up. Look at this go. Look at this guy. Everybody, look into his eye.
What do you see?
Nothing.
There's nothing in there.
What did you learn today, Steve?
That
U-joint should not look like, you know.
shouldn't feel like sandpaper.
That.
Should be nice and smooth.
I got my money's worth out of that one. That's for darn sure. Douche flute. Alright, new one's in, all greased up. Huh? Good for another 500 kilometers. 500. Brake line on a Duramax. And some desperately needed rear rotors. Boy, did he get his money's worth. It's fantastic. You definitely got your money's worth, Nathan.
Yeah. How do I do it?
Oops. Look at that, a little bit of heat saved today. Oh, you slipped. Is that what you did? Here, let me get that on there for you. Let me just help you. And don't you dare get my ratchet stuck between the leaf springs. I'm not losing another one like that.
Oh, it'll come out.
In pieces like the last one. Alright, stop. You're gonna do it.
Drag her out.
If it catches fire, we're dragging it out?
Yeah.
I like that. There's no insurance here.
What? The truck's insured.
Ah! Taillight warranty.
The truck's insured.
Alright, good. The truck took my toolbox out. Big John! Look at that thing go, eh? Don't you just love Milwaukee? Shh. Trying to get free Milwaukee stuff. You breaking my tools, kid?
Yeah.
No different than any other day. Did you fuck that one up?
No.
Are you lying?
No, I never lied.
How long have you been farming for, Nathan?
Too long. Maybe I did like. Maybe I did like.
Did you get that one hit too far out? Now it's stuck and won't spin? Why don't you just tap it back in? This little heater is a lifesaver until the wood stove kicks in enough. We'll put it by where you're working. Low oxygen shut off. It's great. It's great. Love the little buddy heaters. Spending money, eh?
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna brake clean the rotor off before you put it on, or you're just gonna send it?
Fucking send her.
Goddamn children.